These cookies fund cancer research. Pediatric cancer is the #1 killer of children past infancy, and we want to make a difference. September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, so for every FinaMill gift pack ordered, we will be donating 25% of the proceeds to Cookies for Kids Cancer, a nonprofit dedicated to raising funds for pediatric cancer research. You'll also receive this recipe for spicy black peppercorn molasses cookies created by Chef Jesse Szewczyk. You can bake this delicious cookie and be a good cookie at the same time. Let's get baking. Measure the flour into a mixing bowl. Add baking soda, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, freshly ground FinaSpiceTellicherry black peppercorns, and FinaSpice pink Himalayan sea salt. Mix together and set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer, beat the butter with light brown sugar until it's smooth and fluffy. Add an egg, egg yolk, molasses, and vanilla. Mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. With the mixer running on low, gradually add the flour mixture, beating it just until a soft dough forms. Wrap your dough with plastic and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. Portion out the dough into 1/4 cup sized balls. Roll the balls in turbinado sugar. Bake your cookies for 15 to 18 minutes. The tops will crack and puff slightly. Tap the hot baking sheet on the counter to deflate them. Remember, you can bake a difference. Look in the description for the cookie recipe, link to the gift set, and to find out more about having your own bake sale to benefit Cookies for Kids Cancer. Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.